So let's welcome Craving Wheel to a new terrain, new era, new bike. Though we have not given the name to this beauty yet, but I made the official announcement quite a long back. And I'm happy to announce, with a lot of trials and errors of the mic setups and the camera positioning, I'm happy to begin my official moto vlogging from today itself. It's cold, 7 degree to 5 degree Celsius temperature. I can feel the chill in my hands at the moment because I have no winter gloves, but I'm sure with time we'll grow and we'll make a legacy. And at the moment I'm in this beautiful machine, 900 GSA. Finally we got this beauty in our own hands. Eventually, I never thought I'll have this beauty in my life, but yes, we did it, and we made it count. All the efforts. That we have brought this beauty today. Inside Dublin, it's a very congested matter of space where you can actually travel, but in Ireland it's a huge scope, and with time you can take this beauty many places. So at the moment I'm in my learner's license and I don't have the luxury to take it everywhere, but yeah, to the places I can go, I will eventually carve out my paths and we'll make a worth in a while. So with time let's begin our journey with a new splash and a new motivation. To be honest, what actually is saving me is my hitting grips. They are what keeping me motivated, providing my hand some warmness which it needs, just a hint of warmness for this weather, and it's perfect. I feel every extra accessory which is added in the bike, it's with a thought, because they think it through. Look at the terrain, what kind of weather you are in, and that's it. What else you want? So today we are moving to some hillside area. With little bit stuck in the traffic jam. That is what you sign up for inside Dublin, a bit of traffic. So mostly I'm taking a leap of faith with my camera because half of the time my captured video is not getting displayed or getting corrupted because the camera is pretty old, and I think this is one of the biggest disadvantage of the GoPro series, because in the Osmo action, even if the camera is old, you get a pretty good response regarding capturing, and you don't get these kind of complaints basically that your camera is getting lag off. So definitely I'm gonna upgrade myself to a new camera, not GoPro, because I want to capture my movements. It's as simple as that. I'm telling you, heating grips are saving me today. Otherwise, my hands are getting freezed up like anything. So I have to take up a left here. That's what she says. Now I'm in the national highway right now, national road. So basically, according to the London rules, you are not supposed to drive in the motorways, but you can go on the national ways, and the national ways goes everywhere. So when I was applying for the learner license, my whole thinking was I will be constrained inside the Dublin because of my learner's permit, because it doesn't allow me to motorways. But then my dear manager told me, but you can go to the country roads. And I was like, yes, I can go to the country roads. Why this thought didn't strike me well first? Well, thanks to him, I'm able to go inside the routes of the Ireland. Because when you don't have any idea about things, when you're new in the country, you are very skeptical about things, right? For example, rules sometimes which we fail to follow. Oh, that's what she said. But apart from everything, we move forward, and I can see some hills in front of me right there. I personally feel that, having a moto vlog around my helmet, a camera, keeps me alive, because I get to speak with you guys, capture the moments. Otherwise, music is good for the long highways, not inside the cities, because it provides little bit of distraction even you are a professional rider. But in this way I can talk, and the attentive levels is like 1000%, and I love that part of my motor vlogging. That's why I'm very keen to upgrade my specs for the channel. I should be on the left hand side, so I would have gone straight, but as you see, we all do make a mistake. And this was one of mine. So I make a lot of mistakes. Still, I'm learning in these roads. Sometimes it confuses me, because I'm a human being and I cannot be right all the time. That's true. That makes sense. Yep. I would have said a very cliche line: if you like my views, hit a like button. Oh damn, that's a dream right now. So until we move forward, I'll keep on updating you with the specs. Until then, see you. Bye. So this episode is not that very old. I remember that it was my second day. I got my bike and I was on the national highway, the main national highway, and I made some mistake which I was not clearly sure about, and one Garda saw me and he started following me. And when he was following me, he was not giving any siren, he just switched his light on. So when I checked in my side mirror, yeah, I could see some light flashing, and I had my concerns about it. So first step I did was I slowed down my bike, and then even he slowed down his car. Then I was 100% sure that yes, this damn lights are particularly for me. Of course, on a runner's jacket with this big Hulk. previous one was the horse, but this is the Hulk. With the Hulk you are riding on, always there is an unsurety, right, about things, what this guy actually want to do in his life. And that was a kind of a moment for me as well. Then he stopped me, I removed my helmet, and we had this conversation going. And he told me about my mistake, and I told him it's my first day on the roads, and I need to hit the roads to learn the Irish roads, how they are exactly meant to be. And then he gave me some tips and the importance of staying on the focus of the road, the main lane of the road, in order to lead it. And I totally agreed with him about what he was saying, but it was my first day and I wanted to be like a mouse on the roads. But after that day, it made me realize no matter what, you just need to be confident enough with the safe ride gears on. It's always a good call. Believe me, it's a very cold morning, evening. Morning was kind of a rainy morning. I think from 1 to 2nd I went to my heating, and now I need to go in the third part of that. But the country roads, man, they are beautiful. I love to take them on the country roads, and Ireland is a specialty of those kind of things. Damn! Shit! Snow! That's insane. I was not expecting that at this particular time, with a single turn, I'll be seeing so much of snow right now. With snow comes the road, with the road comes the snow. That's beautiful. And cold. It gets difficult mostly for the glasses, because they just want to get so the journey begins. Whew, that's a beautiful view to see. December is all about, oh, December is all about snow, snow, snow. So I don't have to go in the middle because there is ice, dirty ice, dry ice, which I have to avoid. That's crazy. When you say snow is not falling, snow is falling, guys. And at this moment, official moment, I increase my heating temperature to 3. It's all white and it's all snowing. Thick snow. I think I should go to the first gear. I think I should take the U-turn as soon as I see the first roundabout, or should I go with the flow? Thank you to Hitting Grips. but yeah, like I'm not able to feel like there's skittiness in the road with this. And there is this accident also, which is not good. I will take the U-turn. From there. Yeah, this is a perfect point. Road is slippery. It's getting difficult to put the bike in. So yeah, to take the U-turn here, I got down, I put the bike on the stand. The main issue is at the moment is the glasses, where the fog is forming up. But for this view, every risk is worth it.